What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to a new video on the channel where I will be introducing one of the new builds for this year. I didn't buy another one. I don't need another build. This is something that I've been owning for a while and it needs a little bit of work now. And that is my dad's abandoned 1993 Chevy 1500. So this is my dad's 1993 Chevy 1500, not a K1500 like I originally thought. K1500s are all-wheel drive, C1500s are rear-wheel drive. This isn't the original paint color. It was resprayed to the silver color with black and gray or white pinstriping with, let me see if I could find a good spot. And it used to be this red, which I believe is like a candy paint that was laid on top. And well, it's all faded now. Like right here, it's pretty much all just silver. And in some spots, it's really cherry. I don't know if that's a normal thing with candy paint. Like, does it just fade like that in the sunlight, or was this not painted right? I don't know, but it's been fading, so that really does suck, because it used to look really cool with the red and the silver, and well, now it just looks like this. We have these 5-spoke wheels. They are 22s. They make the truck look great, but we've been having issues with this front wheel. It's always gone down on air. We bought another one to replace it and it had the same issue, so I don't know what's wrong with it, but that is one of the things that I will like to get fixed. She is lowered. She honestly looks pretty cool. This is what the rear is looking like. Has this little F1 on the third brake light or reflector. I don't even know if that works. We have these tail lights, which I think one of them is missing like a light bulb or something, and I think it has a crack right here, so maybe replace those. Inside the interior, this is what it looks like. So all of this was resprayed black, or just spray painted black, because you can see a little bit of the blue, and it has like a blue sea, so I'm assuming the interior was blue at some point, and then they just went ahead and painted it, because over there you can see some overspray on the window, which is something else we're gonna have to take care of. But we got these seats, a little bit of some tear right here. We got this wooden steering wheel, which is actually pretty nice. It feels kind of cool when you're driving it. I don't know if that's the actual mileage. It probably is. The bed has like the studs to attach like one of those, the swan necks to do like towing and stuff like that. Or maybe that's just how it was used to attach the bed to the frame. I don't know. I have a feeling this was a work truck at some point of its life before it got, you know, painted and done up like this. A lot of this interior needs to be put back together properly. Maybe get some mirrors for the interior. I think that's about it for the inside. I don't know what exactly I would like to do besides just clean it up in here, get some of the missing pieces. We have the little handle or the little armrest for this, so I'll probably go ahead and install that. I don't know exactly what else I want to do, but that's about it for the interior. We go forward on the truck. This is what she's looking like. Faded. This looks bad. And then this started popping up. I don't want to peel it off, but I want to so bad. It'll be so satisfying. I think this was a Bondo job that they did, and it ended up rusting underneath and popping off. That should be getting fixed. We have this front end, more like of a smoked out style, which I don't know if I'm a big fan of. I might go back to the original one, or I might just leave it as is, just to not spend too much money on this truck. This is the grill. Probably would want to get like a Chevy emblem or whatever is missing there, because I feel like something's missing. Obviously there's something missing there, but what I'm trying to say is like the little Chevy bow tie looks way too small to be covering all those holes on there. But it's because this is a GMC front end, so the GMC logo is like massive, so that's why it would probably fit a lot better. But we'll figure something out later. That's about it on the truck. Got my little jack. I probably wanted to work on the brakes or on the front brakes, because whenever you're driving and you push the brakes, I think it turns to the right or the left. I don't remember exactly, but it does that. I would like to do some suspension work or alignment work, really just to make the car drive straight and smooth. I guess we can go ahead and move into the engine bay. Bam. So this car originally was a V6 vehicle, and then they swapped over a 305. I don't exactly know if that's what it is, but that's what the previous owner told us, so I'm just taking his word for it. It's a 305, which I believe is a 5-liter. It's carbureted. I don't know anything about that, but I believe the carburetor needs some work, so I'll probably try to find a mechanic that could do that. And I've done work already on this truck. Like, I've replaced the freaking power steering reservoir with the line, and I've replaced the alternator and battery. Those are just some of the little things that I've done previously just to keep it up and running. 4-speed automatic. I think that's about it on the truck. One of the things that I will be working on the first video on the truck is the cooling system. So this truck has electric fans and they don't work. I don't know what's wrong with them. We're just gonna go ahead and replace them, replace the radiator, because it is leaking coolant. So all of that you can expect it on the next video. I'll be working on that pretty much right after this video. And I think the battery might be a little bit drained, so I might need to get that charged up so that we could start the truck up and hopefully drive it soon. And ideally I would like to get all of this off the rear so that I could actually drive this while I'm building it and stuff like that, because it runs and drive. I just don't drive it because of the whole radiator situation. That is pretty much it for the truck. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. A little bit short, just a quick walk around to get you guys into the know of what is to come on the channel. This is going to be one of the first builds that we're going to start off the year with, because I want to get rid of it. It's pretty much just sits here all day in front of the 240. I gotta work on the 240, and I got other cars that I got to deal with. So, and my dad gave me the green to go ahead and sell it, since I'm the one that's pretty much taking care of it, paying all the registration, all the tags just expired, so I gotta pay that now. It's just been a burden on me, so I'd rather just fix it, get some content out of it, and then hopefully sell it for a good price. That is pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, drop a like for your boy, comment, subscribe, do all that great stuff so that you could be in tune for what is to come on the future videos. See you on the next one. God bless. Échale ganitas.